Guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about like something that is important, because especially when you're beginning, because this was me. I did this mistake and I wasted a lot of time. It could save this a lot of time for you guys, so please make sure to stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. So if you're enjoying, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, like as you must have read the title of this video, like it says like don't sell your soul in order to make that sale happen, especially when you're beginning. I remember like before once I made my first sale, like I literally put everything. Like I was selling my soul, I would say, because the person was asking a lot of questions about the product. That's obvious, like that comes under objection handling, but true. But like it was way too much questions, and I was answering them, and then he was still not convinced. And however, like he went ahead and bought that product, and again he started asking more questions, and like who was not able to ready to take action. Like he was totally dependent on you. Like he was literally asking me to click the mouse button for him. So that's not like still I went ahead and I gave my everything on that particular topic. And like people don't realize it, especially when they're beginning. So while beginning, like all we want is just a sale, and if that happens, like once you start getting those customers with you, and like if they are not the right people like you wanted to be around your product or niche, like you will be exhausted like as the customer grows. So it's very important that you attract right type of people in your customers list. And this is my personal experience, that's why I'm making this video. And if you're seeing like you get those vibes when the people, like if you have an automated system, maybe like you did not even talk to them, but still they came and purchased your product, and still they are asking a lot of questions. They're just being negative all over, like they're not taking responsibility of their own actions. Like this is one scenario, and one other scenario is like you talk to them, and like somehow you pursue them to buy your product, and once they bought, like they are troubling you a lot with their questions, or maybe they are not responsible, or like they're not taking responsibility of their own actions. Like they don't want to go to the training, and they want you to build everything. Such kind of things happen with you. Like, so just in a desperate mode, don't go ahead and say yes to everybody who comes to you. It's very important that you filter out the clients, or you want to filter out the customers that you want to work with, because again it comes down to because many people will come up with a mindset. I made a video about it yesterday, I guess. Like many people, like if you see people like who are asking you guarantee, like give it in writing that I will be making this much money in this time, like if I follow your program, blah blah shit. Just stay away from those guys, because you don't want to be working with people like who has mindset issues with them, because all it comes down to is like mindset thing again. So if they are not very clear about, like who are not ready to take responsibility on their own, so your life becomes much like it will be much worse than you expect. Like, so now you got to think about like whether do I really need that sale, like the money you're receiving for that, or like do I really need to do I really need to waste that time? Like if the person comes in, I get that money, like do I really can afford that time and energy I'm spending on that customer? So it's like you got to give the weightage for both of them. So I would highly go for time, because time is very important. Like whatever time and money you're spending on that one customer, like you can definitely get it spend it in much effective way and get a serious person to work with you, and you can make much more money, that you can get much more ROI in the back end as you go along. So you don't want to be just for the sake of one sale. Like you don't want to put everything out there. And trust me, you need to sell. Like I'm not telling like you need not have to sell, because there will be customer who will be asking a lot of questions, but you get that vibe. Like once a person is like you get that vibe. You will get that by experience. I'm not able to convey that to you, because once you talk to the person, you will get to know what kind of person he is. And even if he purchases, like so if you still see a problematic customer, you have automated system, that person comes in the system and started creating negativity all around your group, or like your community, or with you, and you're just spending way too much time on that person. So once you realize that, I would highly recommend you like go ahead and process that refund. That's not an issue, because again it comes down to the time you can afford on that customer or the money that person gave you. So I would highly go with the time. So again, as I told, so this is a very thin line there, like you got to decide like whom you want to work with, because you don't want to be having 100 customers calling you all the time and you will be exhausted by the end of the day, and again it becomes a job rather than your business. So this is the point I wanted to make. So be precise, be clear, like what customers you want to work with, see if that person is serious or not. Even if the person is not serious, who don't want to take action, like who is negative all throughout, like even if he comes to the system, like don't worry, don't freak out. So just be calm and just process the refund and tell like things are not working out with each other, and like we can save a lot of time for each other. Just be bold to say that, and you don't want to compromise everything on for a particular sale, because you can spend that time and effort in a much more effective way in the coming days, and you can make big ROIs. I hope that makes sense, guys, and I hope you are getting value from this video. If you are getting value from my videos, please do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. I'll leave my email address in the description if you want to connect with me personally, and I'll see you